All right, guys, welcome back. Josh FX Pro here, and this is an analysis video for what to expect this coming week and synthetic pairs. Yeah, so there's this pair I just looked at, VIX 75 index. Currently, we see that market has been on a downtrend, right? The last high that we see is here. The last high that we see is here, right? But the high before that high that broke off the low. This was the low that it took out. It took out this low here. Took out this long-term low. Yeah, took out this low here. So it was this other block that took out the low. But this particular candle now broke off this high and also broke off above this point as well, above this high here as well. So ultimately, I guess market may still want to come back to this area, but then it's until we see something, right? That's gonna. So at this point, we see the market has created a high that is above this high, the last created high. That's created a high. So this is like a low, a high, a higher low, and a higher high. So we're in between this range on a daily time frame. This is like our daily trading range. I could name it DTR. Yeah, this is like our daily trading range. Yeah, so within that daily trading range now, we have market coming back. Let's break it down to 4 hours and see what we have within that range. So within that range, we're looking for areas of interest at our discount zones, right? And all the what do you call it now? All the fair value gaps in this area has been invalidated, except for this other block here. This was like the last other block before this break of structure here, right? The last other block before we had this break of structure here. So let's see if this other block is going to hold. Market has reversed down without trending there. Reversed down straight. Remember our rule. If you after it um breaks a structure here and go straight back to the other block of fair value gap zone without trending, then take the first trade on your first reversal candlestick pattern. Okay, so hopefully we're looking at this other block holding, but regardless if it doesn't hold, we avoided a loss. But if it holds, then we should see something like a what do you call it? We should see something like an engulfing, maybe that will close above all these areas or somewhere here. So we have to have 2 to 3 rejection confirmations on the other block. We see the rejection of this week. We saw the rejection of this middle, and this candle has given us a week. So it may close above this point. So if it does close above this point, then we're taking it as a buy. And I'm actually going to take it from there all the way to here. But I might hold to see if it will get to this point. But if I'm holding, just know that I'm going to be trailing my stop. All right. But if it doesn't do all of this, then we're waiting for it here. Ultimately, if you see on a daily, we have this point here. We have this point here, this other block here. So for market to come back and um like tap us in on this other block, this is still a valid point or a valid area, right? And if you look on 4 hours, 4 hours still has other blocks. Hmm. Hmm. Sorry. There are other blocks here. There's this other block. There's still this other block. So regardless of however it is, we are still within the buying zone. So if it doesn't take off from here, maybe it might take here as liquidity. Then the next one may be here, the next one may be here. However it is, but we'll just follow. Okay. So this is just the trade analysis that we're expecting. Today is Sunday. So I'm expecting that maybe by tonight, the trade will be ready. But if not, then wait till tomorrow to see what happens next. All right. So if you haven't subscribed to the page, please go ahead and subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and also drop a like and a comment. Josh FX Pro signing out. See you guys in the next video.